Ngatho cia mwanya muno ni undu wa gucoka umuthi ni muthenya wa mwanya muno kuri Njeri wa Muigai na ex-husband wake Muini Muigai wa Njoroge uria warekereria ndeto very special oriri Njeri onake hatigete fans ake makiaria on her Facebook page ni undu wa ndeto cia mwanya agikorwo agishare before twarie ici makiria ndeto Muigai wa Njoroge akorwo akirekereria ndeto cia tiga andu mathamitie tonua njitikiria tu gucokeria ngatho cia mwanya muno ndu wa guthie na mbere gutwarana na ithwe na gutigirira ni wamukira video cito both Muini Muigai wa Njoroge na Njeri wa Muigai wa born on the same day ikiri 6 of June na miaka ya hau gatene eri aya makoretwo celebrate their big day together kuona they were born on the same day also maita kwa maita eri aya ni marakoragwo makiandika ndumiriri nge muno page-ini ciao cia Facebook celebrate each other on this special day that they were born, but ni undu wa kihiko kia gukorwo gikiingira maroro Muigai has only wished himself and his unknown daughter a happy birthday. Birthday agikorwo akirekereria kana birthday message agikorwo akirekereria on his FB page kuria ndeto agikorwo akiruta kuma ngoro-ini yake gitina egie this daughter wake atoikaine agitiga andu makigegeire. Muigai oroho ni akorwo akihithuria ndeto itaroikaine ciegie another daughter he has, his firstborn daughter, contrary to uria andu aingi moyate iritu ka Muigai karia gakuru ni gakena Njeri. Muigai akihithuria na kuga he has an older daughter, his firstborn daughter uria they share a birthday together. Muigai introduce kairitu gaka gake kuri muingi akiuga ati mwaka uyu he is not celebrating his birthday alone but besides his daughter uria andu aingi matara oi daughter wake uria karagwo amuraya akorwo akihithuria ati etagwo Shiko wa Muigai. Ndeto ino egetiga andu makienda kumenya makiria ndeto ekegie another daughter matarakiwe wa Muigai wa Njoroge uria Muigai kuhitukira ndumiriri yake agikorwo akiuga ati ni firstborn daughter wake who they share their birthday together. Twaciaria toria cia tukinyira tutigucitenderithia makiria tucamanie in our next one.